Ready, start. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that there is no dispute that the petitioner was senior most lecturer, but the management, with ulterior motive, passed the alleged resolution in February 2003, converting the post of lecturer in English for promotional quota. The recommendation was made, however, already two lecturers were working under the promotional quota and there was no vacancy under the promotional quota. The vacancy in promotional quota arose after retirement of Mr. Ram Daras Singh on 30/6/2006 from the post of lecturer in sociology. There was no resolution in favor of the petitioner after retirement of lecturer in sociology, though he was directed to take class from 1/7/2006. Hence, writ petition was filed, which was disposed of on 19/10/2006 with the direction for consideration of representation. Further, by impugned order, the aforesaid representation was rejected on the ground that the proposal had already been sent for promotion on the post of lecturer in English and there were only two posts of lecturer in promotional quota. Hence, petitioner was not entitled for promotion under the 50% of promotion quota. Counsel for the petitioner further submitted that in fact the resolution by the Committee of Management to fill up the post in English by promotion and impugned order are illegal and against the fact and law because on the relevant date when the proposal was made, there was no vacancy of promotional quota. The question for appointment of lecturer in English was already sent in the year 1988 and even the post was advertised. Since there was no delay, hence there was ad hoc appointment. Subsequently, post fell vacant after Mr. Harish Chandra Pathak left the institution on 25/2/2003. The Committee of Management was required to send the fresh requisition for direct recruitment because there was no vacancy in promotional quota. Hence, the impugned orders are liable to be set aside and direction be issued to consider the promotion of petitioner on the post of lecturer in sociology. Counsel for the petitioner has relied the decision of Division Bench of this Court in case of Maheshwar Prasad Tiwari versus Joint Director of Education, Gorakhpur Region Gorakhpur and others 2001 ESC 701 Allahabad para 7 of the aforesaid judgment is reproduced herein below. Accordingly, we are of the view that the decisions aforestated are not of much avail to the appellant for the purpose of construction of the provisions contained in Rules 15 and 16 of the Rules. Appointments of teachers in recognized high schools and intermediate colleges are governed by the Act. Earlier, the field was occupied by Intermediate Education Act 1921. Section 16(1) of the Act as it stands amended up to date envisages that every appointment of a teacher shall on or after the date of commencement of the Uttar Pradesh Secondary Education Services Selection Boards Amendment Act 1995 be made by the management only on the recommendation of the Commission. This is, however, subject to certain exceptions. Example, ad hoc appointment under Section 18, absorption of reserve pool teachers under Chapter 4A, appointments under the provisions to subsection 1 of Section 16 etc. Any appointment in contravention of the Act, it is provided in subsection 2 of Section 16 shall be void. By Amendment YD UP Act number 25 of 1998, the word commission has been substituted by the word board. Section 18(1) provides that where the management has notified a vacancy to the board in accordance with Section 10(1) and the post of a teacher actually remained vacant for more than 2 months, the management may appoint by direct recruitment or promotion a teacher on purely ad hoc basis in the manner hereinafter provided. Subsections 2 and 3 of Section 18 read as under. A teacher other than a principal or headmaster who is to be appointed by direct recruitment may be appointed on the recommendation of the selection committee referred to in subsection 8. A teacher other than a principal or headmaster who is to be appointed by promotion may in the prescribed manner be appointed by promoting the senior-most teacher possessing prescribed qualifications. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.